Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you spend your hard-earned cash wisely. Today, we're diving into a comparison between the APC UPS battery replacement RBC17 and the APC UPS battery backup and surge protector. Starting with price, the RBC17 is priced at $56, making it a budget-friendly option for those looking to replace their UPS battery. Many reviewers appreciate this affordability, with some stating that it's a great replacement that solves issues like annoying beeping from old batteries. On the other hand, the UPS battery backup comes in at $79. Reviewers note that while it's pricier, the added features like surge protection and multiple outlets make it worth the investment, especially for those living in areas prone to power outages. Next up is functionality. The RBC17 serves as a reliable replacement battery that ensures your UPS runs smoothly, which reviewers confirm by highlighting its ease of installation and effectiveness in stopping disruptive beeping noises. In contrast, the UPS battery backup is described as a multifunctional device that not only provides backup power, but also protects against surges and offers multiple outlets. Reviewers have praised its ability to keep essential devices running during power outages, highlighting its effectiveness during emergencies. Finally, let's talk usability. The RBC17 is praised for its straightforward installation process, with users finding it as easy as changing a light bulb. Reviewers commend its simplicity and effectiveness. Meanwhile, the UPS battery backup is highlighted for its user-friendly design, with features like a 5-foot power cord and a wall-mountable option. Users appreciate how easy it is to set up and its ability to keep devices operational during outages, making it a practical choice for home and office use. Overall, reviews for the APC RBC17 reflect a sentiment of reliability and affordability, with users satisfied with its performance as a battery replacement. In contrast, the APC UPS battery backup and surge protector garners praise for its multifunctionality and effectiveness in protecting devices during outages, though some note its higher price point as a consideration. So what's the verdict? If you're looking for a straightforward, budget-friendly battery replacement, the RBC17 is your go-to. But if you want a powerhouse that does it all, the UPS battery backup is worth the splurge. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Product links are in the description.